Welcome back guys. So this is the second video of 3 things to master flute playing, and we talk about the first thing, and the next up is blowing air with control. How you blow air into the flute impacts your tone, the pitch and the overall sound quality. Controlled consistent airflow is the key to achieving clarity and stability in your sound. Too much air and the sound becomes harsh. Too little air and the tone becomes weak or breathy. Let me show you. If I blow too much air to my flute, sounds like that. Too little air, it's weak and breathy. So what you want to get is it's all about finding the balance. So to improve your air control, you can do these things. Okay, I will give you 3 things to improve your air control. First one, mouthpiece and embouchure practice. So what is embouchure? It is the way in which a player applies the mouth to the mouthpiece of a brass or wind instrument. Okay, so work on your embouchure by playing exercises on just the blowing hole. Don't think about fingering holes, just focus on mouth hole, okay, or blowing hole. Try producing a consistent tone with steady airflow, focusing on your lip position and the angle of air. Okay, now I'm placing my lip in flute, the mouth hole, and I'm focusing where I can get a good sound by blowing air. Not a good sound, not a good sound. I'm changing the position, lip position and the angle of air. Now I'm getting a good sound, so I'm focusing on here to get a better good sound. So the second thing is airflow exercises. One way to improve your air control is by playing long notes at varying dynamic levels like soft, medium and loud. Focus on keeping your air consistent regardless of volume. Okay, let me show you. Now I'm playing dynamic levels like soft. If I play soft, I'm playing C note. It's like soft, and medium and loud. If I play that 3 dynamic levels in one time, now listen, I will play soft, medium, loud in one time. Okay, like that. Okay, now the third thing is breath phrasing. Okay, practice playing phrases where you time your breathing with the musical lines. Okay, for example, you can start with the simple melodies and instead of pausing randomly, focus on breathing exactly at the musical phrases end. For example, now I will play a Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, I will take a breath and I play the first line, and the end of the first line I will take another breath to play the next line. Let me show you. Now I'm taking breath and I will play. Like that. So we did talk about the second topic of 3 things to master flute playing, and I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to catch the next video, and it will be the last video of this series. And don't forget to leave a comment what you think about this video and also what you want to learn from me, so I can make some videos. And don't forget to like the video, and let's meet in the final video of this series. Until that, keep practice, don't forget, don't give up, and bye bye.